Symptoms of a bad shift interlock solenoid. When the brake pedal is not depressed, a safety feature called the shift interlock solenoid prevents the driver from shifting out of park. The ignition needs to be in the on position along with pressing down the brake pedal. All contemporary cars have a shift interlock solenoid, which functions in tandem with the neutral safety switch and brake light switch. But what actually happens when this component goes bad? Let's find out! 1. Your car will not shift out of park. If the shift interlock solenoid has gone bad, the vehicle will not shift out of park, even with your foot on the brake pedal. This is a big problem because you will not be able to drive your vehicle anywhere. If this occurs, most vehicles have a shifter release. If the shifter release button is depressed and the shifter is able to be moved, the shifter interlock solenoid is most likely the cause. If this happens, contact a professional mechanic to have your shift interlock solenoid replaced. While this is typically the first and only symptom of a bad shift interlock solenoid, some other symptoms may also indicate that it is bad. So please make sure you are subscribed to our channel before we move further. 2. Brake lights not illuminating. In many vehicles, the shift interlock solenoid is connected to the brake light circuit. If the solenoid fails, it may not receive the signal from the brake pedal, causing the brake lights not to illuminate when the brake pedal is pressed. 3. Key stuck in ignition. Some vehicles have an interlock system that prevents the ignition key from being removed if the gear shifter is not in the park position. A bad shift interlock solenoid can lead to situations where the key becomes stuck in the ignition. 4. Unintended gear shifts. In some cases, a malfunctioning shift interlock solenoid may cause the vehicle to unexpectedly shift out of park, even without pressing the brake pedal, which is a safety concern. 4. Fuse blown. A bad solenoid can sometimes result in a blown fuse, particularly the one related to the shift interlock system. If you notice blown fuses associated with this system, it may be an indicator of a problem with the solenoid. And that is it for this video. When you start to notice the symptoms that have been discussed, it is likely a signal of a bad shift interlock solenoid. It is best to have a professional inspect your vehicle. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Until next time, drive safe!